Yeah, hello guys. In this video, I would like to show you how to configure and checking your ink quality with your printer. Alright, your ink is not good. Sometimes you use the non-original one, so your text or your image will be not good, right? So I recommend you to go to the control panel. If you don't see the control panel, you go to the personalize and click here to use the control panel here. Alright. And after that you click on the control panel and you see the printer here. You find the printer, printer and device, and you click on here and you just click printing preference. And in here already tell you about the reverse order paper, right? Reverse order paper. The first you need to select the document size and the reverse order. You click follow me. Alright, this one we focus on the Epson L355 serial printing preference. Alright, so the next is I would like to show you about the maintenance the ink. Sometimes your ink is not good because you will use the non-original one to sell the money, right? But it's not the right one. But anyway, if you use this kind of thing, you need to clean the head. Sometimes you not using or you not general printing, not really printing, your ink will be stuck. So you need to clean the head. Just click here, and we need to clean our head printing. So it will be working on the computer and connecting with the printer. And make sure your printer is working, right? If you not open the printer, cannot config like this. So you need to clean the head and printing head aligns and power ink splash and this one also none check. Okay, so after you do this one time, 2 time, your ink will be smoothly and your head of ink will be perfect ink come out, and your text and image will be smooth better than before. Alright. Okay, sometimes you printing a lot of paper or sometimes you don't printing, so make your ink or your head printing is not good quality, so you need to do this way. Alright, I'm recommend you this one. Normally when you think your ink is good already, but sometimes you need to clean to make sure it's not stuck from the ink come out. Alright, thank you for watching. I hope this video will be helpful to you and good for your tech and your work. Very happy with them. Okay, thanks you guys. Please subscribe and share to your friend to understand about how to we configure our printing to more smoothly and more good quality when we printing. But make sure after one finish you need to go one step more, right? Okay, so I'm just waiting for you. Now it's more complete. Yeah, when you do this one, the ink your printer will be operate also. Okay, finish. And the flash ink, yeah, okay, flash ink also. So recommend you to do the 4 step. Alright, thank you, don't forget follow me.